Hey, my creative explorers! Welcome back to Quiz Slice! Alright, today you're not just picking things, you're building your very own Zootopia 2 theme park. Every round will shape the park you're creating. So don't forget to hit like and drop every comment telling us what your answers are. Okay then, ready to design the wildest park in Zootopia? Let's dive in! Round 1. Build your Zootopia park. Alright, let's kick things off with these parks. Which one are you choosing? Okay now, time to choose the wild ride that'll define your skyline. Which coaster screams your style? Pick the carousel that's spinning its way straight into your dream park. Would you rather choose the Chief BOGO bumper car, the Nick one, or actually choose that Gary car? All right, Sugar Rush time. Which cotton candy belongs to your Zootopia fantasy? Would you rather let Judy die or hit like this video to save her? Your choice. Am I right? So choose wisely. Look up and pick the Ferris wheel that'll light up your park's vibe. Which funhouse is the most interesting to you? Choose it now. All right, movie time energy. Pick the popcorn bucket that fits your style and the character that fits your vibe. All right, deep breath. This is the big one. Would you rather let Nick get imprisoned or comment your way to save him? If you drop a comment to save him, you are actually the best person in the world. So go on. Are you sending Nick to jail or are you typing your rescue mission right now? Tell us. Choose your own pendulum experience. Which one would you rather play? Choose yourself a whack-a-mole version. Would it be the Kitty Linksley one, Nibbles version, or that goofy type by Mr. Big? Let's choose for yourself an entrance that shows visitors what your park is all about. Okay, splash zone incoming. Pick the water slide that turns your park into a summer paradise. You made it here already? You definitely have your elite quiz knowledge. I appreciate you sticking around with us. Let's choose your own mission to complete. Hit that like button, subscribe, or just simply turn on notifications so you never miss another adventure. Okay, dessert time. Choose the ice cream flavor that sweetens your entire body. Would you pick yourself a ring toss game that you trust to win big? Or, nah, you don't have the courage to play? Which between these balloons will float right into your Zootopia fantasy? All right, mascot time. Pick the character who will represent your entire park with pride. Okay, final pick. Choose the game that'll test your aim, your patience, and your bragging rights. Round 2. Zootopia 2's characters gender swap. This one's a fun swap. I'm sure you already know who this is. Bingo! That's Nick as a female fox. Whoa! Check out this handsome boy. Who do you think this is? Yeah! That's Judy as a male bunny cop. Look at this trio, all gender swapped and still pulling off that signature grin. Recognize them? Yeah! That's Nick and Judy and Gary in the new movie, Zootopia 2. Hey, this swap looks wild. Who's this mystery lady over here? It's Paubert Linksley in his gender-swapped form. That charm just got a whole lot stronger. Check out this wild swap. Who's behind this Hollywood wannabe guy? Oh, it's Frou Frou. I like her so much when she's just the way she is, though. Ah-ha-ha. This swap looks incredible, but I bet you already know who this is. Ah-ha-ha. That's right. It's Nick and Judy in their gender swap form. Ooh, check out this swap. It's so obvious with that donut, right? Yup. That's Claw Hauser in his new gender-swapped version. Would you rather see the trio, Nick, Judy, and Gary, all gender-swapped together? Or just the couple, Nick and Judy, as their swapped selves? Which one wins for you here? Can you guess this gender-swapped character from Zootopia 2? It's Mayor Winddancer. I wonder what he does in this new movie. Okay, check this out. Who's this adorable snake? Yeah, it's Gary the Snake in a whole new gender-swapped look. Which character's gender swap looks like this? I think I know this one. How about you? Flash. Look at this, such an amazing character. Who's pulling off this awesome transformation? That's Nibbles Maple Stick. He is so lovely in the new movie. Wow, this transformation is something else. Can you guess who it is? Ooh, of course, it's Gazelle. She's ready to take Zootopia by her singing voice. Check out this transformation. Might be hard to get, but if you're a fan, surely you know who it is. Yup, it's Finnick. He's got such a full attitude. Hold up, this feels like the godmother. Who's behind this lil gender swap? It's Mr. Big in a whole new gender. This swap gives the character a whole new level of power. Thanks for hanging out and building with us. You did fantastic like always. If you had fun, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. Keep waiting for more from us and see ya again.